Alright, we're sitting around the campfire tonight. I want to do a little demonstration on how this little denatured alcohol beer can stove works. So obviously I got my denatured alcohol right here. I'm just going to top it off a little bit. And just pour it in there. You actually want to let a little bit spill around the outside of the hole. The outside of the can here, because what you're going to do is to get this thing to light, you're actually going to light that, and that's going to prime it. And you put your penny over top of that hole there so that it doesn't flame out of the center. But you can see, I'm going to turn the light off, and you can see that blue flame. Now this stuff is okay for the most part. It'll burn off real quick, but then you actually see these little blue flames come off the top of your can once it gets primed. See, it's starting to prime a little bit. It takes a couple tries sometimes. And what I'm going to put on here is I got a little pot of water here in this little percolator over here. It's probably enough water to get 2 or 3 cups of coffee, but just using this for demonstration purposes. Okay, I'm going to have to light it again. So you're just going to pour a little bit more around the outside. It's freezing cold out here. It's probably about 25 degrees, so it definitely takes a couple tries. But once it gets going, you can actually see the flames start around the outside of it. Now, the denatured alcohol, it really burns hot. I mean, it gets it going. Sometimes a lot better than my little pocket rocket. You can see the couple of flames start. The wind's blowing pretty good. Sometimes I like to see if I can block a little bit of this wind here. Thank you, Jason. Might have to do one more try. Alright, it's starting to light up a little bit. Once it gets going. Sorry for this. This is going to take a second. It's really windy out here. There we go. We're getting a little bit going on now. Come on, baby. That's a little weak there. I'll try one more time. Well, she's going. Just barely. Okay, one more try here. You can actually hear it sizzling, how hot it is. There we go. Now we're talking. So once all this stuff around the bottom burns off, that's when I want to put my pot of coffee on top. So you can see nice big flames there, and that'll keep going. I mean, I only have probably, the bottom quarter of that little beer can filled up. It's pretty important though when you're making these things that you make sure that you make both halves of your beer can really level, because that's what you're setting your can on to cook with.